Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You'll start by opening the exact settings panel so you don't waste time navigating. Press Windows plus R and paste Control Desk. CPL at Screensaver, then hit Enter. This goes directly to the Screensaver dialog. Once it opens, make sure you have the necessary account permissions because personalization can require elevated rights. Next, find the Screensaver dropdown. This is where you choose a built-in option or pick the photos or third-party entry that supports custom executables. Keep going, the setup is next. Once you're inside the dialog, decide you can use photos for an image slideshow or install a custom SCR screensaver. If you choose photos, click Settings, point to a folder, toggle Shuffle and set timing. This is fast and built into Windows. Alternatively, for third-party savers, copy the SCR file to C /Windows/System32 so the system recognizes it, then return to the drop-down and select it. Make sure to preview. This confirms file access and behavior before finalizing. Now finalize. Click Preview to watch how the saver behaves, then Apply and OK to keep it. Once done, test by waiting for the configured idle time or manually triggering the preview. If you see a blank or black screen, make sure your display power and sleep settings aren't overriding the saver and verify screen timeout values. If the custom SCR fails to run, try running it as administrator or reinstalling it, and check Event Viewer for error messages to pinpoint the issue.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.